Meanwhile, with a number of murders in Jamaica this week, the police commissioner is sending a strong warning to criminals. Crime data show 7 people were killed in several police divisions on Tuesday. 11 others were wounded. In response, Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake issued this video statement.
There are individuals among us who have chosen to engage in activities that disrupt the peace, cause harm, and instill fear in our communities. To these perpetrators of crime and violence, let me be clear. Your actions will not be tolerated. The security forces are mobilized, and we will be out in full force, taking decisive action to bring you to justice. We have identified several individuals as wanted for criminal offenses. Additionally, we have published a list of persons of interest who we believe can assist us in our ongoing investigations. To those individuals, we urge you to make the process easier by reporting to a police facility. You may be accompanied by an attorney, a justice of the peace, a member of the clergy, or even a friend. However, understand this: if you do not come to us, we will come for you.